this week we are spending the entire week on vacation on the Carnival Liberty. That's a cruise ship, and this morning I am going to give you guys a tour, a room tour. I should do a ship tour, we'll see, but for now we're going to do a room tour. All right, let's get started. All right, first this is the door. Come in. When you come in, you have the bathroom here. I'm gonna open up. This is the bathroom. The shower. We bring our own soap. That's a habit we have, instead of using their soap, because we like Dove. Okay. Bathroom is a nice size. Alrighty. Right across from the bathroom we have the closet. Closet space is 3 doors to the closet space. Behind door number 1. Nice size closets. Door number 2. If you guys haven't been on a cruise before, this is where you will find your life jackets. One there and one there. Inside of your closet. Remember that. But they will let you know when you first board the ship anyways. This is the 3rd closet. Extra blankets. A full mirror. Okay. Now you have the couch. Art paint. These are the towels. The poolside towels. If you want to get in the pool, you can take them down with you. But this is our couch for the week. We have our big suitcase, the big one, sitting there. The second little lamp. But this is our couch. It's okay. It's kind of comfortable. Well, it is comfortable to sit. It's comfortable to sit. Okay, this is where they have the television, like a little vanity set. Mirror. Some of our items we bought. Mirror, some of the items we bought from home. A stick. Listen, if you're ever on a ship, they have water in your room. 2 bottles. Do you see that? These bottles are not free. They want you to quench your thirst, but you have to pay for it. Do you see that? The bottle is $3.95. $3.95 per bottle. So let them sit, because they will bring you. So let them sit. Let them sit. Because they are going to bring you a complimentary bottle. They're going to bring you a free bottle. So let those 2 sit. Let those 2 sit and get your free bottle. Let those 2 sit for $3.95. Let those sit. Okay. Now you have a king size bed. And let me tell you, the bed is comfortable. When I tell you the bed is extra comfortable. Very, 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 very comfortable. Big comfy bed. This is the remote for the TV. And here's the TV. Yes, a little TV. But it's a TV. Here's another mirror. I don't know what this is here. But another mirror. Another mirror. Here you have an extra door. We don't use, no one used that door. That door connects to the other room, the room that's next to you. So you want to keep that closed and locked. It was already locked. I unlocked it, locked it back. Okay. This is our window, the curtains. I'll put them back for you guys so that you guys can see. Big window. Big window. Oh, look at all of the people. We landed about, well, until I landed, I'm thinking I'm on a flight, I guess. But we docked about an hour ago. And we just haven't got out yet. So we'll be heading out in a little bit. This is the boat that's across from us. I don't know if you guys could see the people. It's like one. Yep, but this is the room. This is the room. Comfy bed. Makes you want to stay in bed. Alright, you guys, this wraps up the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully I will do a ship tour. A partial ship tour because the ship is huge. So that you guys could see it, like it, and feel like, oh, we should take a cruise. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you guys a partial ship tour. All right, so we have to get ready so that we can get off the ship and enjoy the outside, do some excursions, and yeah, have lots of fun. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that when we do upload our next video, you guys will be notified.